Name the biggest continent in the world. Asia. Which is the nearest planet to the Sun? Mercury. Name the planet known as the Red Planet. Mars. Who invented watch? Peter Henelin. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? The lion is known as the king of the jungle. Baby frog is known as tadpole. Who gave the universal law of gravitation? Isaac Newton. What is the cause of the sun's energy? Fusion of hydrogen and helium. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Name the planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Which is the largest moon in our solar system? Ganymede. How much time does the sunlight take to reach the Earth? Eight minutes 20 seconds. Which planet has the most moons? Saturn. Which is the farthest planet from Earth? Neptune. Who was said to be the last Viceroy of India? Lord Louis Mountbatten. Name a natural satellite of Earth. Moon. Who invented radio? Guglielmo Marconi is known as the father of radio. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Africa. Name the national game of the USA. Baseball.